The transition process for us from FlexMate to Label Traxx was a pretty drastic one for us. With inventing in digital technology, we were having trouble managing all of our MIS systems together. We're using roughly 5 software systems to be able to produce an order, ship an order, and bill an order. By taking that, we are now able to go with Label Traxx and go to one software system to be able to do all of our sources. By doing this, the transition period was a little bit greater for us, but in the end, now we're saving hours every single day of time of working out of one software system versus 5. When we went to switch, our MIS system FlexMate had completely crashed. We lost 5 years worth of data and we went cold turkey into Label Traxx. So that was the reason that ours took a little bit longer to get ramped up. Once we got it up and going, within 1 to 2 weeks, we were seeing benefits of the new MIS system and time savings, more accurate order entry, and being able to service our customers better. And on top of that, now with Label Traxx, all of our MIS system is backed up at their location, so in event of a crash, we will be back up and running within minutes, not weeks that we were last time. We got hooked into Label Traxx at the Label Expo event. We went to go see them. Knowing with the HP Indigo and using the multiple software platforms, we started interviewing different companies of wanting to get to a single MIS system to be able to support estimating, order entry, packing slips, counting, and purchase orders and inventory as well. Meeting with all the companies, Label Traxx had the best fit for our need, and we were able to purchase 1 or 2 modules and start into it, and then as our revenue grew, we were able to expand our modules to get more of the benefits of Label Traxx. Turnaround time for us now on digital orders is roughly 3 to 5 days for pressure-sensitive labels. For our flexible packaging and our shrink sleeves, we're telling people 7 to 10 business days to turn a digital order. And this is from art approval to shipping a product. Before that, our average lead time was around 14 days with traditional printing before our digital and our new MIS system. Scheduling with Label Traxx really opened up our company, allowed us to see what was going on. Before that, we had a big dry erase board and a production room with all of our jobs written down on it, and we had erase them and move them around every day. With their scheduling, we were able to drag and drop jobs onto schedules and then print that schedule out directly and hand it to an operator. So now when an operator came in for his shift, we were able just to print off a printer, a schedule, hand it to him for his whole day's work. Label Traxx has definitely helped us create a more competitive environment inside our company with being able to push orders through faster and quicker. And now with implementing job costing, we're able to give operators a report of their full day at the end of the day. At the end of their shift, they're able to print out what they did that day and turn it into their manager to get instant feedback on how that day's production went. With WorldShip inside the system now, we can actually track UPS and FedEx packages within the packing slip while talking to the customer on the phone. And if they need tracking information, now that we can email them a packing slip directly out of the system with their tracking number on it, and then that way it reduces us having to go to another party's system to find a tracking number for our customer.